Hi, this is the Immunodietica team wishing you well and good health during this coronavirus crisis. We wanted to talk about a few dietary tips you can do to maximize your immune system. And the first thing you're thinking about is probably vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is a great thing to help you boost your immune system. Unfortunately, it's structurally very similar to sugar. So if there's a large amount of sugar in your system while you're administering a vitamin C, they could compete and you could not get the vitamin C into the cells. So the first tip is to separate your carbohydrate consumption or your sugar consumption with vitamin C. So this might go against a little bit of what you heard, take your orange juice. Orange juice has a whole bunch of sugars along with the vitamin C you need. So probably the best way to take vitamin C would be using supplements. However, taking those supplements, if they're pills, about 30 to 60 minutes away from carbohydrate-containing foods, and if it's powdered plus water, 15 to 30 minutes away from carbohydrate-containing foods is best.
Besides vitamin C, it is also important to get flavonoids. Flavonoids are antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and they're present in many fruits and in leafy greens. And actually, funny enough, also in red wine and chocolate. So you can get those in moderation. Flavonoids are very important. It's been shown that they can reduce down to a third the number of upper respiratory tract infections. They've also been shown to help modulate the T cell response, so to prevent excessive inflammation. And some flavonoids have actually been found to directly modulate viral proteins, so especially relevant with this COVID-19 pandemic.
So along with introducing flavonoids into your diet, reducing sugar overall may help as well. Animal studies show that added sugars can lead to obesity and insulin resistance, but also increased gut permeability and low-grade inflammation. And the low-grade inflammation is the most concerning of all, because what that does is when there is a necessary acute inflammation response which activates the immune system, it may not send the signal as efficiently if you're chronically inflamed. So especially during this time, reducing sugars and moderating carbohydrate intake might be a very advisable thing to do.
Last, but definitely not least, make sure to eat enough protein. This sounds very simple, but there's plenty of studies showing that if you don't consume enough protein calories, you increase mortality and morbidity from bacterial and viral infections. Proteins are important for many things, and there are specific amino acids that we know are key for a robust T cell response. There's arginine, there's glutamine, there's tryptophan. Of these three, tryptophan can only be obtained through food. So make sure to get enough protein sources. This could be different types of nuts, could be red meat, could be eggs. So this is from Immunodietica. Stay safe during this pandemic and make sure to boost your immune system. Best wishes.
Thank you all.